Hey there, what's going on? It's me again, Justin. We're going to talk about mnemonic devices today, so let's do this. Mnemonics are memory aids designed to help you remember information that is easily forgotten or confused. Now there are various types of mnemonics. In this video, we'll talk about the various types of mnemonics and try to come up with examples for each one. Acronyms are real or made-up words created from the first letter of a list of terms or steps. You're probably familiar with a ton of different acronyms from your earlier education. Let's look at an example. You may have learned the acronym HOMES to learn the names of the Great Lakes: Huron, Ontario, Michigan, Erie, and Superior. Now each letter in HOMES stands for the first letter of one of the 5 Great Lakes.
Another acronym that you may be familiar with from the book is PACE. You read the acronym for PACE backwards. We have energetic, clearing, active, and positive. Each letter stands for a step in the PACE process that will help you prepare for anxiety-inducing situations.
Acrostics are similar to acronyms, but instead of a letter standing for a term or a step, a word stands for that term or a step and makes up a full sentence. An acrostic that you may be familiar with from grade school is "Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally."
Each word stands for a function in the order of operations. Please, parentheses, excuse, exponent, my, multiplication, dear, division, aunt, addition, Sally, subtraction.
Jingles or rhymes are also a very useful type of mnemonic. There are some very common jingles and rhymes used in grade school, and some people even make up their own to help them remember items for a test.
One of the most common rhymes you may have learned in grade school is about Christopher Columbus. In 1492, Columbus sailed the ocean blue. That rhyme helps you remember the year that Columbus arrived in America.
A picture or graphic may be the best kind of mnemonic device for a visual learner. Let's take a graphic of the information processing model as an example.
It may be easier for a visual learner to learn the steps of the information processing model by memorizing what this graphic looks like, then trying to make an acronym or other kinds of mnemonics.
With associations, the goal is to link information to something else that you know well. So, a kinesthetic learner may link the information to where or what he or she was doing when they first studied that information. Maybe he or she linked their exercising time with the Cornell note-taking method, and linked outlining with studying in his or her room. For the peg and rhyming peg systems, you're linking the information to other easier to remember pieces of information, like pictures or rhymes. For the peg system, you may link each piece of information to something that doesn't change, like numbers, body parts, or something else like that, in order to recall that information later. For the rhyming peg system, you try to come up with pegs that rhyme with the information you're learning.
So for example, maybe you're learning about how light reflects off different surfaces and the color that forms from it. So the words sun, hue, and see may help you remember what you need to know. We'll use the numbers 1, 2, and 3 to link and rhyme with each one of these words. 1, sun, 2, hue, 3, see.
Check out more information and examples of mnemonic devices in the test preparation and test anxiety module of your textbook.